These right here are one of the best bar style chicken wing recipes that you're gonna find in any bar or pub. And I'm gonna show you how to do it today in a quick shot video. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the chicken wings all ready to go. I have them washed very good and dried thoroughly. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take Shake and Bake Original, and we are gonna take 2 packs. You could probably get away with 1 pack, but I like a generous amount. So grab a bag or a Ziploc bag and dump the Shake and Bake into that. Take your chicken wings, throw them in the bag. This is so nice and easy, quick. These are very crispy and delicious wings. One of the best you'll ever have, I guarantee you. Zip them up, leave some air inside the bag. That way it's easier to mix these up, and you're gonna mix these very thoroughly. So we have the coating very well distributed over all the chicken wings. Now I have a rack on top of this pan to make it very easy for me, and I'm just gonna dump them out and make sure all the excess dry batter is off the chicken wings before I put them into the deep fryer. Hopefully you have the deep fryer preheated to 350. And we are gonna cook these, depending on the size of your chicken wings, you're looking between 12 and 15 minutes. When deep frying these, do not overfill the deep fryer, otherwise they will not cook correctly. So these have been deep fried for 12 minutes. They're done and ready to take out of the fryer. Oh, look, nice and golden brown. Beautiful. Have a bowl and some paper towel ready to drain the excess oil off. And we're ready to put them on a plate and serve them with either dry or some sauce. So now what we're gonna do to these chicken wings are, we're gonna remove the paper towel. So now we're gonna take Dave's sauce. If you do not have access to this sauce, use your favorite sauce. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna coat these with a good amount of sauce. Just take them and give them a flip. Roll them around, get them coated good, and there you have it. Nice, spicy, bar-style chicken wings. We pour them on a plate, and some on there without sauce on, so that you can have a choice. All right, they're ready to try. Look good. These ones are coated in sauce, these ones aren't. That way you can put some other sauce there for these ones. So let's go ahead and try these. Do me a favor, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe. Keeps me interested, keep doing videos. So let's give these a try. Very good. Good crunch to them. The sauce is nice on them. I like them this way. A lot of people don't like the sauce on them, and you can do them like this, and these are just so nice and crispy. Crunchy. They're good. Have a good day. Hope you try them. See you in the next video.